Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today's video is going to be a very simple makeup look for your traditional wears like suit, sari, or just for anything, you know. So if you guys are interested to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So I already moisturized my face using my favorite moisturizer. Now I'm gonna go and quickly frame my face by filling my brows. Brows are such a game changer, guys. Everything looks so beautiful if you have that perfectly defined brows. So to fill in my brows, I'm using the Wet n Wild brow kit. So I filled in my eyebrows and carved out those edges using some concealer. And for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna prime my eyelids. I'm gonna use the Age Rewind concealer. For the eyeshadow, I'm gonna take this Morphe 35F palette, and taking the lightest shade from the palette, I'm gonna put this right on my crease as a first transition color. Now taking this reddish brown kind of color on a Morphe M433 brush, I'm gonna put this right on my outer corner, and then I'm gonna blend it towards my inner corner and all over my lips just to add a little bit of color and depth. For the lids, I'm using Mary Luminizer highlighter, and I'm gonna apply this halfway through my lids, and I'm applying this as if I'm doing a half cut crease. Now taking that fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna go on top of the edges and I'm gonna blend that very lightly, and also I'm gonna apply some highlighter on my brow bone. Now for the face, I'm using this Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. I'm applying this all over my face to make my skin look smooth. Now for the foundation, I'm going to use a very thin foundation. This one is Maybelline Fit Me foundation. If you don't like wearing foundations, you can totally skip and use something like BB creams or CC creams or things like that. I really like this foundation because this adds a little bit of coverage, really lightweight, and gives that natural glow to your skin. So I really like this foundation, and I'm in the shade 220. I used a little bit of LA Pro concealer underneath my eyes. Now to highlight my face a little bit, I'm applying a teeny tiny amount of Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Light. I just dotted a little bit on my chin, a little bit on my under eyes, on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead. Now to set that thing in place, I'm gonna use some powder. You can use any powder you have or any powder you like. Taking some powder on the same beauty blender, I'm gonna press that powder all over my face. Taking the same contour palette, I'm gonna contour my face, but not too much, just a little bit, because we are gonna keep this look really simple. make that contour look neat and sharp, I'm gonna take some powder in a flat sponge and I'm gonna place this right underneath my cheekbones. That way my cheekbones will look a little bit more chiseled out. For the lashes, I'm gonna apply these really affordable and really natural looking lashes. Now I'm gonna apply these 2 shades onto my lower lash line just to define them a little bit, and also I'm gonna apply some mascara to my lower lashes. For the blush, I'm using the one from NYX. I don't remember the shade, but I will definitely mention in the description box. So just a little bit of blush. For the highlighter, I'm using Mary Luminizer by the Balm as usual. No matter what look you are going for, no matter how simple you want to look, highlighter is a must, at least for me. So lastly, for the lips, I'm using the Balm Cosmetic liquid lipstick in the shade Committed. This is such a beautiful peachy nude kind of color, so I really love this color. And also I'm gonna add a little bindi because I really love wearing bindis when I'm wearing traditional clothes. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this simple kind of makeup look for your traditional wear. If yes, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.